What's up, party people? Android Stud here. I have the Pixel 8 Pro in that babe blue. Beautiful device. And I have a case here from Whitestone Dome. I know. Whitestone Dome usually makes screen protectors and all kinds of stuff like this. And let me grab some other stuff here I have on the side and some of this. And they're excellent. But I want to talk about their case. That's right. They have this case here for the Pixel 8 Pro. It's called the Scope case. Now it includes Magsafe charging, so it has the magnet there, provides some good protection. And this comes in a clear white. It also comes in a solid black. So if you want to pick this up, and this is very affordable, under 20 bucks. So we're gonna go ahead and pop this open. Now, if you wanna pick up any of the Whitestone Dome products, their screen protectors, this case, drop down in the description, you can pick it up. Also hit that thumbs up, subscribe button, and also notification bell, so you know when videos like this are coming. Now, I do like this. Now, Magsafe cases are very popular, even with the Android crowd. Started out with Apple, but you know, Android, we said, listen, you guys can't have all the fun. We need to get involved, like alcohol. So this is Magsafe. Now, the good thing I like about this is the protection for the camera. As you can see here, you have like a little frosted here at the top, some really reinforced corners here, and you have all kinds of protection for your device. So we're gonna go ahead and pop this in. You're looking at a nice soft TPU case, but you get the Magsafe capability. Get that in. Boom. So there you go. You got Magsafe capability, and the thing I like about it, very strong, very strong. So if you're charging your phone, you have any other accessories, maybe you have a connector on your car, whatever it may be, you're good to go. So Magsafe is pretty cool. Now this is really reinforced, not a lot of lip there, but you got your opening there for your Type-C and speakers. You have your microphones there, and then, ooh, kind of like that. These black buttons are nice. Look at this. I like that. Kind of a little extra detail there. I like that a lot. Yes. But the cool thing is your camera. On the back, your rear cameras have protection all along the back, even on your temperature sensor, your flash, everything, your three camera lenses. You have some good protection, so you can lay this down, not worried about it. I do not like the cases that are open like this. This is a nice case, beautiful, pretty, goes well with the Pixel 8 Pro, but gotta cover up the camera. This is a winner. This is an absolute winner. And for under 20 bucks, you cannot complain. These buttons are perfect. I like this case a lot. And the fact that it has the Magsafe, and this Magsafe is probably above average strong. You can't even take it off. Very good, very strong. I do like this a lot. This is excellent, if you ask me. But you can pick it up. It's under 20 bucks. Comfortable grip, perfect fit. This is well done. Whitestone Dome, you did your thing. Make sure you guys drop down in the description, pick it up. Hit that, also the link to pick this up down there, and you'll be good to go. I'm gonna get out of here. I'm Android Stud. You're watching YouTube. Peace.